The last section of this lecture deal with ethics and managers. So the ethical standards of managers basically mean that you have to be professionally competent, have integrity and credibility, and preserve information with confidentiality. What does this mean? If you're competent, you know how to do your job and you follow the laws and rules and regulations. Confidentiality means you don't divulge information that is not required by law and that might be considered to be giving people unfair advantages or may put your company at risk. Integrity, it means that you do the right thing, you're ethical. And credibility, it means that you provide fair and objective information, report any kind of delays or any kind of issues in a timely manner, and that if there's anything you can't do, if there's any kind of professional deficiency, you make people aware of it so that it can be dealt with. A lot of this came about when accounting had a problem with ethics and something called Sarbanes-Oxley Act, or SOX, came into account. It'll be talked about later on in the class, but Sarbanes-Oxley and ethics and accounting are dealt with big companies such as Tyco, Enron, and other companies like that.